age of Industry 4.0, the world is changing, and with this our business environment. Volatile markets, decreasing batch sizes, increasing product diversity, and shorter lead times require new approaches in the processing in the sheet metal industry. We at Bystronic have outlined our vision of a smart factory in a fully automated and integrated way to enable you meeting that challenges and staying competitive in the market. We welcome you today here in our test center in Switzerland, where we are working hard on making the smart factory vision reality. Here in Oberbib, in our test center, we will produce that part here live, and we will show that to you. Please see how the part is produced from the raw material sheet to the final welding assembly without any manual processing step, and how Bystronic is enabling full process automation through the integration of third-party equipment into a fully automated and integrated smart factory solution. Prepared for the future, thanks to networking. Start optimizing your workflow today, from best-in-class machines over automated cell, right to a fully integrated smart factory, as we just have seen. Whatever your vision is, we will implement that vision step by step. With our scalable solutions, we integrate machines, automation and software to a flexible network of intelligent components, whether you use our machines or these from third-party suppliers. With our centralized control, the Bystronic software suite offers you the integration of all network components and offers as well a full transparency from any time and anywhere. How we design and implement your solution, we will show you in the next episode about the Bystronic solution approach. Thank you.